Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an extreme closet clean out. I have not cleaned out my closet in a long time. It's just something that I haven't gotten around to doing, but I definitely should be doing it before I move out to New York for college. And you know, it's just good to do this every once in a while. So we're doing it. Currently my closet right now, I have sort of color coded it. Not very well, but it's kind of color coded. I have the tops on one side of my closet, and then I have pants on the other side of the closet, and those are not color coordinated at all. Those are just kind of thrown in there. Everything on this rack is safe, I guess, because these are just all things that I'm wearing a lot and outfits that I've picked out. I think I'm gonna donate most of this stuff, but I also may sell some of it on probably Depop. So right here in the front, I have a bunch of outfits I've picked out, so all of this stuff I'm gonna keep, but I'm gonna go through my pile of shorts right there. Also, guys, I'm literally 19 and I still am growing. Like, I've grown about an inch every single year for the past like 4 years. So I grow out of a lot of my clothes still, even though I think I'd be done growing by now. It's not just like I don't wear this stuff anymore. Some of it just does not fit. Okay, I wore this skirt yesterday, so we're gonna keep that. Just got these. Gonna also keep these. I got these for $1.24. These, I'm thinking these are gonna be too small. Hang on, let's try these on. Although I like the black shorts, they might not fit. These actually do still fit, but they're really short, so I'm gonna put these in the maybe pile. I don't like my shorts being super short, so I don't know. Maybe we'll keep these, maybe we'll not. I think I'm gonna sell these ones. These are from Princess Polly, and they shrunk a ton in the wash. There's 4, and normally that's the size that I wear in Princess Polly. The waist is tiny. I hate women's sizes, so like I can't even button these, so these are not a keep. Although they're super cute, and I wish they still fit. Now for the tops, I think I'm just gonna pull out stuff that I don't wear that often, and we'll go from there. I have so much loungewear. Oh, I hit my funny bone. So this is what we have so far. It's a pretty decent sized pile. I don't really wear a lot of this stuff, so I don't really want to keep it in my closet. Some of this stuff just doesn't fit, and some of it is just, I've had it for like 8 years. Maybe not 8 years, maybe like 5 years. A lot of this stuff I'm not wearing now because it's not 20 degrees out, but I will wear it during the winter time. Like this sweater. It's 98 today. I'm not gonna wear this sweater. Okay, I wear that, I wear that, wear that, wear that. What is this? Wear that. Love these. I have so many oversized t-shirts, but I wear them all the time. Keep all of these things because I'll wear these in the winter. I'm literally getting buried back here. So I just pulled out a giant pile of clothing that I don't really wear anymore. This dress is from Urban Outfitters, and I loved this in high school, except it's not at all my style. So I think I may sell this one. There's no way this skirt is gonna fit. It's way too short, especially if it's high-waisted. This is a jumpsuit, and honestly, I don't know what I was thinking when I got this. Like, this is not very flattering, like on me personally, because the legs are like not full length and they cut off, so it does not fit or work for me. This dress, while also cute, I do not wear this at all. This is just a black t-shirt dress, and I think I've had this since 6th grade, and I have not worn it since middle school, so this can be donated. This is just not my style. This can be donated. See, these are Urban Outfitters jeans. These are actually pretty cute, but I do not think these are gonna fit. Let's try them on. Yeah, I can't even get these over like my mid-thighs, so these are going to be donated. I wish those still fit though. Those are really cute. Oh my gosh. These are not gonna fit me. Look how small these are. And these are skinny jeans too, and I do not like skinny jeans. So we are going to be donating these. Yeah, these are a size 0, so that means these are middle school pants and definitely does not fit. This is my homecoming dress from junior year, I think. It's from Boohoo. It's made out of like a weird neoprene material. Honestly, I like it, but I don't see myself like wearing it again, so I think I'm gonna put this one away. This I wore to the Taylor Swift Reputation Stadium concert, but this is also a bodysuit, and I don't like bodysuits, and there's no way that this is gonna fit anymore, because that was like 3 or 4 years ago. This shirt is from Free People, and I simply don't wear this. This is just not my style, and I just don't like peplum either, so we're gonna donate this. And these are just some sweaters that I don't really wear anymore, so we're gonna donate these too. And now for pants. Pretty much I wear all of these pants, but there's some that I don't really wear. These black sort of cargo pants, I haven't worn in a while because these are tiny in the waist too. So these will be donated or sold, whatever. This pair of pants I don't really wear anymore. This is like a tweed cutlet. I think they still fit, but I just don't wear these. So we will be getting rid of these. Pretty much all of these other pairs of pants I wear, so I think I'm gonna keep everything else. So now I have this huge pile of hangers of all the clothes that I'm going to be getting rid of. I have all of this, that, and that big pile over there. I also need to like clean out all of the random stuff that I have in my closet that is not clothes, because I have like all of my school stuff up here and just random stuff and bins that I need to just clean out, but I'm not gonna do that in this video because this video is more focused on like the clothing part of the closet. So yeah, but I think I did a pretty good job of getting rid of some of the stuff that I'm not going to be wearing anymore. And yeah, so that was pretty much it for today's video. If you liked it, if you want to see more of these organization cleaning types videos, comment down below and let me know. But thanks so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up, comment down below whatever you want to, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll see you next time. Bye!